Hi everyone! Today I'll be making mini pumpkin pies. What all goes into the mini pumpkin pies? 1 can pumpkin, 15 ounce, 1 can 12 ounce evaporated milk, 2 eggs slightly beaten, 3/4 cups brown sugar, 1 teaspoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon ginger, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon cloves, and pie shells, and you'll want to let these sit out for about 20 minutes so they're easy to unroll. So let's begin. So get your refrigerated pie crust. Make sure that it has set out for at least 20 minutes. And these are made for 9-inch pie pans. I have a 5.5-inch pie pan. So at first I was going to use an 8-inch cutter, but I don't think I need one quite that big. So I'm going to use my 6-inch pie cutter and see if that works. If it doesn't, I can either roll it out a little bit more, or I can go with my 8-inch. I'll set that off to the side. Take my mini pie pan and put that in there. And the way that it's made, it's got its own little fluted indentations here, so I don't really have to flute anything. I like that. And then just flatten it out along the bottom and the sides, and I think the 6-inch one will work just fine. Now you can blind bake these if you want to, but I'm just going to follow the recipe that I have, which is you put them in at the same time as the filling. So poke a few holes in it so it'll lay flat. So it's almost where it can fit. I'm going to roll it out just a little bit. I have this little handy dandy mini roller. And there we have it. And you can use the excess pie crust for whatever you want to, or you can discard it. And again, we'll put this in there. There we have it. Preheat the oven to 425. Take a medium to large size bowl and dump in all of your ingredients. The 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, not pumpkin pie mix. Pour in the 12 ounces of evaporated milk, the 3/4 cup brown sugar, the 2 slightly beaten eggs, the 1 tablespoon flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon of cloves. Then blend that thoroughly. I'm going to start with a whisk, and if I need more thoroughly, I will get out my hand mixer. So it is mixed up. I'm going to use my measuring cup that's got a little spout, and I'm going to evenly put it in the pie pans. I have my ramekins, and I'm just going to make pumpkin custard with the rest of this. So I have 3 ramekins that will be pumpkin custard, hopefully, and 2 mini pumpkin pies, and they'll be going into a preheated 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. Reduce the temperature of the oven down to 350 and let the pies bake for 40 to 50 minutes or until knife comes out clean. So it's been 50 minutes in the oven, Let's see if they're done by putting a knife in the center of it. If it comes out clean, it's done. If it doesn't come out clean, we'll stick it back in the oven. And there, it's clean. I'll put them on a cooling rack and I'll see you in a few hours. So here is the mini pumpkin pie. We'll put a little bit of whipped cream on it. Or a lot of whipped cream on it. And we'll see what Dave thinks.
This is kind of cute. So just a normal pumpkin pie?
It is.
Okay.
It's just a mini pumpkin pie.
Mini pumpkin pie.
Portion control.
No, because I'll eat the whole thing. It's a very tasty mini pumpkin pie.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.